So you just go out and start a business. You don't have an LLC, you don't have any structure set forth, but you're out there running your business. And now you're starting to see profits, and profits that you never thought you could even imagine, because you're a business owner now. You're not just a W-2 employee. And they look back and they're like, oh man, I don't have that foundation set.
What's number 3 secret for minimizing tax for a small business, or one that you're like, hey, this is one that maybe people miss sometimes, and like we really want to let them know that besides maybe something like the home office, or anything kind of come to mind right now?
Yeah, I think, when you're a business owner, there's a foundation that you have to set in your business. And that foundation is going to be what you build everything upon. And so, as a business owner that's active in their business, we often look at this idea of an S corporation. And we call it kind of the S corp our foundation. Now, if you're into real estate and you're passive and in those types of areas, we're not talking about S corporation. But as a business owner, you get hit with self-employment taxes on 100% of your income. And so the S corporation is a structure that we can set as your foundation, get tax savings from just that implementation, and then build off of that. So when we look at kind of this foundation of your business, it's making sure that we're set up correctly. Are we set up as a LLC? Do we set up as a sole proprietorship? And then how are we electing to be taxed? Are we going the S corp route? Does the S corp make sense or does it not? And kind of going through those waves of finding, okay, what is that foundation? Because I see so many business owners that just want to get rolling. You're an electrician that has been working for somebody else. You've been doing side jobs, and now you want to make it a legitimate business. So you just go out and start a business. You don't have an LLC, you don't have any structure set forth, but you're out there running your business. And now you're starting to see profits, and profits that you never thought you could even imagine, because you're a business owner now. You're not just a W-2 employee. And they look back and they're like, oh man, I don't have that foundation set. I'm paying so much in taxes, but I don't have the foundation set that allows me to create that road towards tax minimization. And so now they're backtracking. They're going back. They're changing those things now and making those adjustments moving forward. But my hope is that we can get in front of people before they make that decision. We can help get in front of people to understand this idea of tax planning, so that when they think of taxes, they're not thinking, see my accountant in April and prepare and file my tax return. They're thinking about tax planning. And then that year-end reconciliation of sending that information to the government is an after fact. That's the piece that comes last. Important, required by law, but tax planning are the things we do between January and December. Tax preparation is an after the fact, just reconciliation of sending documents up.